wait. I was wondering if we could get like all your numbers and we can hang out sometime or something.
But boyfriend.
So what that mean if you have a boyfriend?
Talk to other boys.
Why not? Look it. How I changed that? That young still. How?
And give you a couple numbers, you know. Mash.
I mean, you can.
Maya. This is not a word. Have a boyfriend.
So. How my eyebrows just
They're not gonna fix this.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Can see me good at anything there?
Yeah.
Yo guys, Zima here. We're here at UE. We're going to look some people girl pick me and get them number and yo guys, Zima here. Welcome back. Today we're going to be trying to get girls' numbers. Hi, excuse me. What's your name? Ash. Are you shy?
No.
Can I get your number?
Not really.
Okay. Yeah, guys, that's what we're gonna do today, and we're gonna see how much numbers we can get. Hi, excuse me. What's your name? Where are you from?
MRC.
Oh, hi. Yeah, I just thought you were cute. I wanted to know if I could get your number.
No, I have a boyfriend, but not.
So what that mean if you have a boyfriend?
I don't want to talk to other boys.
Why not? Hi, excuse me. Excuse me, sorry. What's your name?
Tonya.
Oh, I thought you were cute. I just wanted to know if I could get your number.
Wait, what's your name?
Singh.
I have an Instagram.
So I can't get your number?
I'll message on Instagram.
So I can't just get your number now?
Message your Instagram.
Alright. Hey, excuse me. You. I saw you and I just want to tell you like, are you a banana?
I'm a banana.
Yeah.
A banana.
Yeah, are you a banana? Because I find you appealing. Him not going, him do have to know.
Yes, he will.
How him going know?
He will.
How?
He will.
Alright.
Huh?
You wanna hang out though? Why not? We can just chill
Where did you see me actually?
when you're walking down the hall. Hey, excuse me. Excuse me. Hi. What's your name? Vanessa. Oh, I'm Jonathan. Nice to meet you. What do you study? Oh, law? So what are you doing over here? It's good. This is so high. Yeah, come here. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Were you with your friends?
Yeah, but I was looking in that direction. And when I look at you, everyone else disappears. So
Oh wow.
I just wanted to know if I could get your number, so we could probably hang out sometime.
I don't know what the hang up.
Why not? Oh, you busy? So you wouldn't want to make the time? On? Why? Oh, whoops.
You don't know your own number?
No, I have it, but like I wanted to call it so I get your number same time. Hi. You okay? I saw you from like I was walking, but I was scared to talk to you. Your hair's nice. Do you not want me here, or you don't want me here? Oh, okay, no problem. I'll leave you alone then. So I can't get your number?
You live on home?
No,
You don't live on home?
because it's
Live in town?
expensive. Yeah, I live in town. Hey, excuse me. Sorry to interrupt. I just thought you looked really nice, and I wanted to know if I could get your number.
Thank you, but I don't give up my number.
Why not?
I just don't.
Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, something. Why not?
I just. Alright, this second. So you and your friend that make a bet?
Nah,
How many
there's
girls we
no,
can get
there's
at the end
no,
of the day?
there's no
'Cause,
bet.
you know,
There's no.
I would so go for it.
Go for what?
You know, I would help you win your bet
How?
and give you a couple numbers. You know, Mash.
I mean, you can.
Maya, Kim. Understand if it was a bet.
But I just need your last name because I know a lot of Jodis. Alright, thanks. I expect a text. Huh?
Let me text me in the evening. Because
Like
I'm
what
getting
time?
a new phone today, so I
What kind of phone you gonna get?
a new one.
Alright. Yeah, how you know man? How you know my
I
name?
think from Instagram. I
Oh.
think.
Oh, I was wondering if I could get your number.
For?
To text, to talk?
Uh,
What normal people
Okay.
use numbers for?
okay, like I'm seriously busy, but okay, what is happening? Sorry, I never saw you. Hi.
Excuse me. Hi, your hair is really nice. Just want to do. What's your name? I was wondering if we could like go out sometime or something. Yeah. Wait. I was wondering if we could get like all your numbers and we can hang out sometime or something. Or at least one, so I could just get the, like all you guys to just chill whenever. No? Hi, I thought your hair was. Whoa, you have some amazing eyes.
Thanks. You're probably not gonna get me often, but okay.
What do you use the most?
Probably. You can get me on Instagram.
What's your Instagram?
Yeah, so that's what I'm going.
So wait, give me Instagram if that's what you use.
You're already following me on Instagram.
Alright.
Yeah, later.
So unafraid? Is Fred unafraid? What you say it was? Nah, I mean, from I have two on the number, I'm sure I can get the group. Alright, thanks. Instagram. M? This?
Yeah, no,
I'm fine.
that's
Oh,
not
whoops.
me.
Alright, good deal. Yo, make sure you answer. Please.
Pardon?
Make sure you answer, please.
Yeah.
Alright. You used to that?
Yeah?
You used to getting that compliment?
Yeah, but it's me, so I'm like,
Oh, you used to it now?
I'm used to it, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But I can't take compliments.
It says a sign.
I love your eyes,
What?
whatever, we should be friends.
You know what you're saying?
Young stuff, so when I'm in public.
I thought you looked nice, so I was wondering if I could like get your number and we can talk sometime. Why not?
Why?
Maybe, yes, I do. I'm actually filming a video right now, if you don't mind me posting it. Is this okay?
How old are you?
Why that matter? Age is just a number at the end of the day.
What's the age is just a number?
How old are you?
I'm not asking for it.
No, how old are you? I ask you first. Just pretend like I ask you first.
You look like you just started.
I didn't. Well, yeah, I just started.
Yeah, I know that. I'm
How I changed that?
24.
That young still.
We know so that young.
so,
So, alright, since none of that don't work, I have a boyfriend.
so I know this or that from. No, but you see, because you didn't mention that from before, it doesn't seem to be an issue.
I know.
So,
Me just never, I mean, if we say no first.
they didn't say no.
No, oh my god, what is wrong with this? No.
Yo, can I get a call?
No, this one.
No.
Anyways, I'll see you again.
No, you're not going to see me again? Instagram? Snapchat?
Me go.
See, there's always a middle ground. Yeah, just message me. So hey guys, that was it. This just goes to show us that all it takes is a little bit of confidence. You see me? Just take some confidence, dog, and you can get like anybody's number, unless you're not really into it. But confidence. Yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe, turn on your notifications. Make sure you watch all my videos. I post every week, once or twice a week, depending on it. This is dumb. I'm just rambling now. So hey guys, like, comment, share, subscribe. Are you subscribed?
Subscribe to
My YouTube channel?
what's the name?
Singh Zima. SINGH. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and yeah guys, we'll see you next week.